Hey guys, Jim and Tim from Number One Vinyl and Leather Repair here. We are the vinyl and leather repair pros out of San Diego. Today we're going to be showing you guys a really easy plastic repair on a quarter trim panel that has some glass damage. And anybody interested in adding a vinyl repair service to their existing business or as a standalone business, we're also going to tell you guys about the training courses that we offer. But check this out first. Okay, this is the panel. It's a quarter panel, glass busted on the side. Zoom in here so you can see the glass damage. And this is pretty typical. I mean, sometimes we do get more difficult repairs, but a lot of times it's just this sort of glass damage. And so there's a real easy fix for this. We're going to show you guys. Okay, so Tim's going to begin the repair process. Some of the scratches are going to be pretty minor, and we're able to heat a lot of that out, put the grain back in. Other ones are a little deeper, and we'll have to use a technique that will take some of the plastic from other parts of the panel and use that to fill the deeper cuts. But Tim's going to start on some of the easier ones now. So as we're doing this, we're trying to keep the grain intact, not pushing too hard so we're not making dents, but just removing the little scratches. So when we're done here, obviously we're going to have to match the color and shoot it because it does leave shiny marks over the whole thing. Alright, this is a repair process that we call the Robin Hood. We're taking from one area and adding it to the other, and then stamping that back into place. Alright, well, as he's doing the repairs, keep finding more and more repairs, which is pretty much the case with glass damage. It's a good idea to just use your hand, run it across the panel just to see if you've missed any of the glass cuts, and you almost always do. So usually we'll make a second pass and go around and do it all again. Alright, there was one other panel we had to add to it. You guys can see that. Just a chunk out of the glass, chunk taken from the glass. So we'll fix that now. This is one of those deals where Tim's been doing this for over 20 years, so he makes it look really, really easy. It's also really, really easy to destroy these panels, and they're not usually very inexpensive. So we'll sand it down with some 600 to get rid of any of the get rid of some of the shiny spots and just kind of blend in the grain. So that's what he's doing here. And then we will use our vinyl dies. Okay, so repairs are completed, and the material is prepped and ready for paint. So we're going to put a little dye on it. As you do it, sometimes what will happen is you'll find more areas to repair, which is fine. You let the dye dry and use the same process to repair those areas. And we're going to use a few thin coats. You don't want to go too thick. So we'll let that dry, and then we'll make another pass. Okay, so here we have the finished product, an overview, and then I'll close up, get closer to where all the repairs were. You can see those have gone away. They're virtually invisible. Okay, so guys, the reason for these videos is we are offering training on interior repair. You can learn the best techniques from the very best guys in the field. We have over 20 years in San Diego doing top quality repairs for some of the best shops around, the Ferrari dealerships, Mercedes and whatnot. What differentiates us between other repair training courses is that we'll not just show you how to do the repairs. We're going to teach you guys how to run a very profitable business, make lots of money, and have a good time doing it. So if you're interested, you can call my phone, 619-247-1198, or click on the website that I have linked below.